In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Virgin Money. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your finances from anywhere. First things first, before diving into the online setup, you need to gather some crucial pieces of information. If you're setting up personal online banking, make sure you have your 10-digit customer number and your 10-character activation password handy. These are essential for accessing your account initially. However, if you're setting up a business account, you'll need your user ID, which would be sent to you via text during the account creation process. Hold on to these details carefully as they are your gateway to online banking. Once you have your details, the next step is to register online. For personal banking, this involves completing digital registration. It's a straightforward process where you'll use the information you've gathered to create your online profile. The Virgin Money website will guide you through this, and it's usually quite intuitive. Just follow the on-screen prompts as you input your customer number and activation password, guiding you towards setting up your online access. For business accounts, the registration process is slightly different. You'll need to complete a registration form that Virgin Money provides. Afterwards, send the completed form to the email provided by Virgin Money for manual processing. Don't worry, the email instruction is straightforward, and it's a simple step despite requiring a bit more paperwork compared to personal banking. Now, once you've completed the registration, you're ready to log into your online banking. Gather those credentials again because you'll need them to access your account for the first time. Log in using your customer number, activation password, or user ID, depending on whether it's a personal or business account. Once logged in, take some time to explore the features available to you. Virgin Money's online banking platform offers a wide range of functions. You can view your account balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and even set up future payments. It's also a good idea to set your preferences, customize the layout, and add any additional security measures you deem necessary. This will ensure you're getting the most out of the services on offer. It's not uncommon to feel overwhelmed when setting up online banking, but Virgin Money has designed their process to be as user-friendly as possible. By following these clear steps and utilizing the resources provided, you'll quickly be able to manage your finances conveniently and securely right from your device. Remember, always keep your login details safe and never share them with anyone to ensure your account stays protected. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances at your fingertips.